There are two Mumbais. There are skyscrapers and businessmen. There are also slums and beggars. There are two Mumbais. I come from one and Anil Mane comes from another. And there are two games of golf. One is played at my club, the Bombay Presidency Golf Club. And one is played on the other side of a 10-foot wall.
10 साल पहले से किया 10 साल से खेल रहे हैं और हम लोग जब खेलते हैं तो 20-25 लड़के होते हैं.
From the rooftops of shacks and through the streets, this game is played with plastic balls, man-made holes and metal rods bought at the market and shaped by the golfers. Anil Mane lives in this 10 by 10 foot shack next to the wall that separates my club from the slums. His golf clubs are worth more than the shack's tin walls. Anil lives and dreams golf. The only thing that matters more is his family. A wife, 3 daughters and one more child on the way.
उसको चाहिए मेरे जैसा बनना. जैसे मैं गोल्फ खेलता हूँ वैसे उसको चाहिए कि मैं भी गोल्फर बनूँ.
Anil is 27 and has a 9th grade education.
That's when he dropped out of school to caddy at my club, the Bombay Presidency Golf Club.
मैं पहले स्कूल में जाता था तो मेरे मम्मी डैडी ज़्यादा काम नहीं करते तो पैसा अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते थे. तो मेरे एजुकेशन के लिए जो भी पैसा होता फिर मैं गोल्फ.
I met Anil 6 years ago. He was one of the best caddies. He would become one of the best golfers.
4-5 साल तो इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था गोल्फ में. तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. फिर दोस्त लोग खेलते थे तो उनको देख के लगा कि हम भी कुछ खेल सकते.
Anil was honing his golf skills in the streets. Then, in 2006, using someone else's clubs, he beat India's 4th ranked amateur in a match play tournament.
I thought that given his talent and ambition, he deserved a chance. So I got him a new set of Titleist and I sponsored a spot for him on India's semi-pro tour. तो अनिल इस बार जो टूर्नामेंट पिलौर की टूर्नामेंट थी जहाँ पे तू थर्ड आया वहाँ पे जीता क्यों नहीं राजा?
तो वहाँ पे इसलिए नहीं जीता क्योंकि जो लॉन्ग आयरन्स मारे वो सब लेफ्ट पुल किए मैंने.
अच्छा पुल किया था.
हाँ जी, इसलिए नहीं जीत पाया.
कितना पैसा जीता?
30,000.
वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू सर.
Last year, between caddying and the tour, Anil made $1,550. This year, Anil qualified for the professional tour. He no longer has time to caddy.
महीने में 2 टूर्नामेंट्स के लिए जाता हूँ, ट्रैवल करता हूँ. और ट्रेन में अगर दिल्ली जाना है तो 24 घंटे लगते हैं. अगर कलकत्ता जाना है तो 36 आवर.
I cover Anil's expenses, but his only income is what he wins on tour. So far, this year, as a professional, Anil hasn't made any money.
उनके जैसा बनने के बाद भी जो जिस जगह से मैं आऊँ वो तो भी अपनी जो जगह थी ठीक है क्योंकि कितना भी बड़ा अगर कितना अमीर भी हुआ.
When Anil returns home from the tour, he swings in the slums. Twice a month, there are 3-hole tournaments. To the winner, about $5. As much as anyone, Anil needs the money. This week's tournament will be played through the slums. The first hole demands a straight drive, avoiding the laundry line to the left, shops to the right. Anil is ahead by one stroke going into the second hole of the tournament. It's the longest and most difficult. The golfer must fly the water. After the second hole, Anil leads by 2 strokes.
The final hole of the tournament is the shortest. From an elevated tee, the golfer gets penalized a stroke if he lands in the garbage.
जितना हो सके मैं सेफ खेलूँगा, बोगी के लिए खेलूँगा और 100% आई कैन विन. मेरी एक ड्रीम है कि मैं बड़ा टूर्नामेंट जीतूं. वही जो मुझे नज़दीक लगता है, मेरे क्लोज. मेरे फैमिली का ऐसे जैसे मेरा बैकग्राउंड प्रॉब्लम सब कुछ, तो इसलिए मेरा ड्रीम्स मुझे लगता है कि बहुत दूर है.
In Mumbai, there are 2 games of golf. One is played at my club. The other in the slum where Anil lives. On both courses, Anil has seen victory. And in both places, he dreams of more.